शेनवार राती भिमेले दर्यावेळेर नेवीच्या जागेत उजो लागिल्लो. वास्को PCRक कॉल आयलो आनी PCRा बरोबर PSI प्रशांत भगतूय सुवातेर गेलो. फायर ब्रिगेडीन उजो हाडले उपरांत PSI भगत चवकशेक लागलो. उजो लावपा फाटल्यान इनासियो दोरादो म्हणटा ताचो हात आसा म्हूण दुबाव आयले उपरांत भगत ताका व्हरूंक ताचे घरा पावलो. इतल्यान इनासियो दोरादोन घरांतल्यान कुराड हाडली आनी PSIचेर हल्लो केलो. भगताच्या हाताक बरोच मार लागला. पुलिसांनी इनासियोचे फामिलीक सरकारी अधिकाऱ्याच्या खुनाचो यत्न केलो म्हूण भितर वडयला.
There was a fire incident reported at Vasco police station late night, and accordingly PCR vehicle rushed to the spot. Prashant Bhagat, PSI, who was the duty officer, also rushed to the spot. Fire brigade vans also were summoned and the fire was dozed off. Meanwhile, the naval officers present at the site pointed out involvement of Inacio Dourado and his family members regarding the fire incident. PSI Bhagat along with police team went to the Bhimvel beach and requested Inacio Dourado and his son to accompany him to the police station. However, Inacio Dourado suddenly rushed into his house, came out with an axe and assaulted PSI Bhagat on his right hand, causing him grievous injury. He attempted to murder him, in fact, but PSI Bhagat luckily saved himself by avoiding the axe strike. We have booked all the 4 persons under attempt to murder case, that is 307 IPC and section 353 of IPC for obstructing government officials while performing their lawful duties. There is another separate case registered against them by the Indian Navy for causing fire in the naval area. Right now they are arrested in the first fire arson case. Further investigation is in progress. Cottage Hospital Chicalim and subsequently admitted in GMC Naval, wherein he has undergone operation to his right hand.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नाईक.